I still don't get why Batman's letting her tag along on this mission when he's got me. Us.
Jealous much?
Ooh, same dress. Awkward.
Huntress, don't be silly. There won't be any problem after she changes.
Hardly an option, dear. Besides, I wear it better.
Kitty, I'm about to put you out for the night.
Cats eat birds, remember. Meow.
Listen up. Everything depends on us playing our parts perfectly. From this moment on, I'm Matches Malone, and you're my bodyguards. Now, let's get this show on the road.
Anything you say, boss.
Hate her. Touch it and they'll be calling you Lefty.
You all right, boss?
Get your mitts off me!
And with him using every criminal's favorite night spot as his hideout, it makes it impossible for anyone to get close to help him.
I bet he'd let me get close enough.
I still don't trust you, Cat.
Look, miss, something that belongs to me is in there. I don't want it getting ruined.
Are we talking about the cloak or Batman?
You two are useless.
Oh yeah? Well, you are useless!
Nice comeback there, Chief.
Whoops. Oh, big whoops.
Any ideas?
Just one. Hit it. Good evening, all you gentlemen, mobsters, creeps, and crooks.
Men in tights come after you, and still you're off the hook.
For those who scare and terrorize, it's the dawn of a brand new day. You scum can simply call us the one and only birds of prey.
Green Lantern has his special ring.
Pretty strong, that little thing.
Blue Beetle's deeds are really swell.
But who will bring him out of his shell?
Flash's foes, they finish last.
Too bad sometimes he's just too fast.
While all the boys can always save the day, no one does it better than the birds of prey. While all the boys can always save the day, no one does it better. No one does it better than the birds of prey.
Green Arrow has heroic traits. That is when he's shooting straight.
Hey!
I'm just saying.
Aquaman's always courageous.
His little fish, less outrageous.
Plastic Man can expand, becomes putty in our hands. While all the boys can keep you punks at bay, no one does it better than the birds of prey. While all the boys can always save the day, no one does it better. No one does it better than the birds of prey.
Hey! Batman throws his batarang. What a weapon, what a bang.
Check out that utility belt. Sure can make a girl's heart melt.
He's always right there for the save. I'd like to see his secret cave.
While Batman does things in his special way, he'd do it better with the birds of prey. While Batman always seems to save the day, no one does it better. No one does it better than the birds of prey. Birds of prey.
Meow.
Feisty. Ladies, you're just in time for their nightly feeding.
On the bright side, at least we don't have to hear Canary sing anymore. I love you too, dear.
Don't worry, it's Batman I'm after. I sent word out all over town that you three were gonna be chick-flavored chum by the end of the night. He'll come to rescue you, I'll whack him, and bada boom, bada bing. I'll have complete control of Gotham.
And, what happens if Batman doesn't show up, Mr. Crazy Matches Person?
Well, then I guess these sharks are gonna need some toothpicks.
Lovely.
Matches Malone.
Batman?
Wait a minute. If Matches is Batman,
Then who's the guy with the blue cape?
Old school fist fighting Gotham style. Should be a fair fight.
Fair is good, but guns are better.
Hey, Cat, can you reach my crossbow?
give me something hard to do next time. Your crossbow's not gonna do much to that cream.
Then it's a good thing that's not what I'm aiming for.
Nice shot. My turn.
Sayonara, kitty.
Wait, don't I get a last request?
What is it?
This.
Catwoman, what did you do?
I knew we couldn't trust this witch. She killed Batman!
Did I?
At ease, ladies.
But how? You already used your last life.
It was Matches Malone's last life. I absolutely believe that's who I was. When I landed, Matches died for good. But Batman is alive and well. Poor Harvey. Arkham has its work cut out for it.
All in all, not a bad mission, Batman. You eliminate half the crime in Gotham, you stop Two-Face cold, and you get your life back.
Well, I had a little help. That was quick thinking, Catwoman. Catwoman?
Looks like she's gone, Bats.
And she took the cloak with her. So much for redemption.
We'll call this even, Catwoman. Until next time.